Most men think women lose interest because of looks or money or status. But the real reason is far darker and far simpler. She doesn't miss you because her brain hasn't linked emotion to your presence yet. And if a woman doesn't tie emotion to you, she forgets you fast. But here's the twist. There's a psychological trigger so powerful, so strange, so rarely talked about, that when you activate it, a woman will start missing you even if she wasn't interested in the beginning. Even if she ignored your texts, even if she treated you like a background character. The crazy part? It works on almost every woman on Earth because it taps into a biological glitch in how attachment forms. But don't use it lightly. Once this trigger activates, her mind will start replaying your moments again and again and again. She won't know why she's thinking about you. She'll just feel it, like an itch that won't disappear. And before we go deeper, before I reveal the first psychological switch, let me ask you something. Do you really want her to miss you, or do you want her to chase you? Because what I'm about to show you does both at the exact same time. We're barely getting started, and trust me, the wildest part is coming. There's a strange pattern in female psychology. Women don't miss consistent men. They don't miss unavailable men. They miss the ones who live in the middle, the unpredictable constant. What does that even mean? It means you're stable, present, emotionally grounded, but not always reachable, not always predictable, not always obvious. You're calm waters with a hidden current. But here's the twist. Most guys do one of two things. They either smother or disappear. Both kill desire. Both kill mystery. But when you become the unpredictable constant, her brain starts checking for you without her permission. She starts looking at her phone even when she doesn't care. She starts wondering where you are, what you're doing, why you haven't said anything yet. Not in a desperate way, in a I can't figure him out and it's driving me crazy way. This is where missing you begins. Not when you chase, not when you pull away, but when you create a rhythm she can feel but not predict. And by the way, you're about 2 minutes into this video right now. So if you're someone who always searches for deeper psychology, for the truth behind human behavior, hit that subscribe button before your brain gets distracted, because what's coming next is on another level. Now let's go deeper, because the second shift is where her emotions start working against her. To make her miss you, you need one thing, an emotional anchor. Not a good memory, not a compliment, not a gift. An emotion so unique, so unexpected, so rare that her brain connects it directly to you. This is where most men fail. They try to impress women instead of impact them. But impact is what creates missing. Let me tell you something strange. A woman won't miss you for being nice. She'll miss you because she felt something next to you she can't feel anywhere else. It can be calmness, it can be confidence, it can be unpredictability, it can even be silence. Yes, silence, because silence creates inner noise. But here's the part nobody expects. The stronger the emotional anchor, the harder it hits when you're gone. This is why someone she knew for a week can haunt her thoughts, and someone she dated for a year can disappear from her mind like dust. Crazy, right? But you haven't heard the wildest part yet, because the next section reveals the trigger that turns you from just a guy into the one she starts craving. This part might shock you. Women don't miss presence. They miss absence that feels different. Anyone can disappear, but only a few men disappear with impact. And that's where the absence trigger comes in. Here's how it works. When you suddenly remove your presence right after giving a unique emotional imprint, her brain panics. Not in a dramatic way, in a subtle, psychological way. It starts trying to complete the pattern. Humans hate incomplete emotional loops. We want closure, resolution, a finished story. But when you leave right after giving her something she hasn't felt before, she becomes obsessed with the missing piece, you. But hold on, this doesn't mean you ghost her. This doesn't mean you play games. It means you introduce yourself emotionally, then pull back, calmly, naturally, without fear. This creates a vacuum, and humans hate vacuums. Her mind tries to fill the space with thoughts of you. This is when she stares at her phone. This is when she checks your social media. This is when she asks mutual friends, what's he been up to? But the real magic happens next. When you go silent, most guys look nervous, scared, uncertain. They break silence within hours. But the silent signal, it's different. It's calm, controlled, unreactive. It says, I choose when I appear and when I don't. It's not about ignoring her. It's about not feeding the dance of attention. Here's what this does. It flips the dynamic. She no longer feels like she's watching someone chase her. She feels like she's watching someone she can't read. And nothing is more addictive to a woman than a man she can't decode. But here's the twist. Silence by itself doesn't make her miss you. Silence with intent does. Silence with emotional impact behind it does. Silence after a moment of connection does. Because silence without meaning is ignorance. Silence with meaning is magnetic. And the next section reveals exactly why women can't resist this.
There's a psychological glitch in human behavior. It's called the mirror response. When someone emotionally pulls away, we feel a sudden pull toward them. It's biological. When you create emotional impact, then step back, her brain mirrors the pull and moves toward you. She doesn't decide it. It just happens. This is why the more you try, the less she wants you. And the less you try, the more she thinks about you. But here's the twist. It only works if you have created a spark first. Because the mirror response magnifies whatever she already feels. So if you gave her boredom, she mirrors boredom. If you gave her curiosity, she mirrors curiosity. If you gave her excitement, she mirrors excitement. And if you gave her emotional impact, she mirrors longing, missing, wanting, thinking. But here's where the story gets darker. The next section reveals the hidden driver of why she suddenly starts missing you at random moments. Ever had someone pop into your mind for no reason at the most random moment? That's the random trigger effect. It happens when someone creates a strong emotional imprint, then leaves your life rhythm just slightly off balance. Her brain tries to repair the rhythm by thinking about you at unexpected times. Maybe when she's cooking, maybe when she's scrolling, maybe during a quiet moment. These aren't memories, they're emotional echoes. Here's the crazy part. The fewer interactions you've had, the stronger the effect can be, because there are fewer details to fill in the blanks. So her mind starts guessing, imagining, replaying. This is how missing grows. Not through contact, through imagination. But the next section, that's where missing you turns into wanting you. Women don't miss people. They miss energies they can't replace. If you bring her something unique, something rare, something she can't get from others, she will miss you, even if she doesn't want to. So ask yourself, what is your rare energy? Are you the calm one, the funny one, the mysterious one, the unpredictable one, the confident one, the silent strength? Every man has one. But here's the twist. Women don't miss the rare energy while you're there. They miss it the moment it's gone. Because rare things only feel rare when they disappear. And the next shift? This is where she starts chasing. At first, you chase her emotionally. Then something flips. She starts chasing you. Not with words, but with behavior. Shorter replies turn long. Delayed replies turn fast. Cold energy turns warm. Distance turns curiosity. You'll see signs. She'll react to your silence. She'll accidentally view your story. She'll bring up small things you said. She'll test the waters. She'll poke conversations. Why? Because her mind is trying to recreate the feeling you gave her before the silence. It's the pendulum effect. The more you swing back, the more she swings forward. But you must stay calm, because the final section is where missing you turns into attachment. If you follow everything up to this point, you become something rare to her, a psychological anchor. Her brain associates your presence equals emotional impact. Your absence equals emotional pull. Your silence equals curiosity. Your unpredictability equals excitement. Your energy equals rare value. This mix is deadly. It forms the attachment loop, a loop she can't escape, a loop that makes her miss you even if she wasn't interested, even if she tried not to care, even if she moved on. Because missing doesn't come from logic or intention or interest. It comes from emotion, tied to silence, tied to unpredictability, tied to rarity, tied to you. And if you want part 2, where I break down exactly how to make her chase you, move toward you, and obsess over you, tell me in the comments. I'm ready for part 2, and I'll make it even crazier.